What if your daily drive could feel like an adventure before you even leave the driveway? With the 2026 Jeep Wrangler, open-air freedom is not a feature you turn on. It is a lifestyle you step into. Today, we are answering the most common questions about how to make the outdoors part of every drive. From removing the roof to taking off the doors and even folding down the windshield. If freedom is the reason you love Jeep, this is where it begins. If this kind of content helps you, tap like now and stay connected with the next Gear channel for more deep dive Jeep guides. Let us start with the easiest and most satisfying step, removing the freedom panels above the driver and passenger seats. This process does not require any tools at all. Begin on the driver's side by folding down the sun visor. Pull down the center clamp, then rotate the 3 L-shaped clips until they unlock. Once released, simply lift the panel straight up. These composite panels are designed to be extremely lightweight, so removing them feels effortless. In seconds, the cabin opens up and you immediately feel the difference. Have you ever noticed how even a small opening completely changes the driving experience? With the freedom panels removed, the next step toward full open-air freedom is taking off the main roof. Jeep includes a dedicated toolkit with your Wrangler, usually stored in the center console or armrest. Inside, you will find a ratchet with extensions and the correct Torx bits. Head to the rear of the vehicle and use the T50 bit to remove 6 bolts, 3 on each side. These bolts secure the roof from the back. Jeep also designed a molded storage tray in the trunk, so every bolt has a dedicated place, making it nearly impossible to lose anything. Before lifting the roof, there is one critical step many people forget. You must disconnect the rear wiring harness. This includes the defroster connection and the windshield washer fluid line. Push down the red safety clip, rotate the matte black stainless clamp, and carefully disconnect it. Once separated, secure it back into its holder. Now, move inside the cabin. Behind the front seats, one on each side, you will find the final 2 roof bolts. Use the same T50 bit to remove them and store all 8 bolts in the trunk tray. At this point, everything is ready. With a solid grip and preferably a second person to help lift the roof up and back. Keep in mind that it is slightly rear heavy due to the glass. Once removed, the Wrangler transforms instantly. Sunlight, airflow, and that unmistakable Jeep feeling take over. This is the moment most owners fall in love all over again. Next comes door removal, one of the most iconic Wrangler experiences. For earlier models, you would use the provided ratchet and Torx 42 remove 2 bolts per door, storing them in the trunk. On the 2026 Wrangler, Jeep made this even easier. Start by rolling the windows down. Open the door and pull up on the U-shaped clip at the door socket. Remove the small plastic access panel and disconnect the wiring for power windows, mirrors, and locks. Gently pull the door inward to access the fabric check strap and disconnect it. Then lift the door straight up and off the hinges. After removing all 4 doors, remember to reinstall the wiring harness covers and put the hinge pins back in place. It is a small detail that saves big headaches later. Finally, we reach one of the most unique features in the automotive world, the folding windshield. This process involves 2 steps and 6 bolts. Start outside the vehicle by removing the caps at the base of the windshield wipers. Use a 15mm socket to remove the bolts, then reinstall the nuts and caps once the wipers are off. Inside the cabin, switch to the T40 bit from your toolkit. Fold down both sun visors to access 4 bolts, 2 on each side of the windshield frame. Remove all 4, and now comes the most satisfying part. Gently fold the windshield forward and rest it onto the hood, using the protective hood pads designed specifically for this purpose. This setup is intended for off-road use only, but it delivers a driving experience unlike anything else on the road. That is the full open-air transformation of the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. Roof off, doors removed, windshield folded. Few vehicles give you this level of connection to the environment. If you enjoy guides like this and want more Wrangler content, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and follow the Next Gear channel for everything automotive freedom related.